Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stream on TikTok with OBS Studio. This is going to be the full tutorial, so make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now to start streaming on the OBS, you're going to need your own stream key. You can get that from TikTok by clicking on here on this section. Then once you do that, click on here. And then finally you're going to see your stream key that is copied right there. All you have to do after you put a title and everything for the video and start a live stream, once you do that, copy the stream key. Then you're going to go back here, and then from here you're going to go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you're going to go to the stream, and then from here, as you can see, there's services, so you can just drag it. And as you can see, since TikTok isn't here, you're going to click on custom. And so from here, as you can see, there's the server name and the server key and the stream key that you're going to paste right here. Once you paste it, you're going to click on apply, then OK. And now you can stream from it right here. And so you can click on start streaming. Now, if you'd like to replace this fully, all you have to do is click on the plus sign. And then from here, you're going to make a scene that you're going to call, for example, TikTok Live. Once you do that, now you have an empty scene. So you're going to add whatever you want. So for example, a video for capture. So you can go right here to window capture and then create new. And this will select the full window, so you can just click on whatever window you would like. And so right here now we have a window, and if you'd like to play with the resolution, then simply go to the settings, go to the video, and from the output. And as you can see from here, for streaming you can customize the dimensions, so the scale output can be either 1920 or you can make it all the way down. And so once you apply it, as you can see, it changes the dimensions of your stream. And so you can make it custom to your phone or your computer screen. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.